Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and I wanted to share today my mystery box I won from Granny Dee on Sunday. It arrived super fast and was super stuffed. Yes, I opened it. I couldn't wait. And first item on top I found was the Ogo. Is that, I don't know if it's Ugo, the Karen cake in this beautiful color. It has 502 yards, and I'm wondering if that's enough to make a scarf. It's a number 4. It takes a 5mm hook. It's washable and dryable. And it's 280 grams, 9.9 ounces. It is very soft. Very soft, and the colors are beautiful. So I was wondering if I could make a shawl out of that. I'm into shawls lately. Granny Dee's got me hooked. And then I got this Patrons metallic. Never had a metallic yarn before. Look at that. And it's really, really, really soft. It's a number 4, 5mm hook, hand wash. I'm not sure if they want you to dry it or not. I'm going to say no. Lay flat to dry. And it has 52 yards. Look at that beautiful copper color. Isn't that pretty? And it's soft too. Then, this is pretty. This looks like a 1, but I think there's 3 strands together because they're saying it's a 3. I'm not sure. I didn't want to tangle it all up trying to figure it out. But it's a Line brand wrap star. So I guess it's good for making wraps. It says the number 3, 3.5 ounces, 437 yards. And they recommend an H hook. I love it when a color variegates all the way out to a different color. Ombres. I don't know. Sorry. Isn't it beautiful? And then, Granny Dee, you're so generous. I've been thinking all night what I could make of these. This came yesterday. Then I got these. These are from Darn Good Yarns. They're 100% silk from old stories. So, sport weight silk called Lucky Clover. And they recommend a 4mm hook, or 4.5, and it is 150 yards, recycled silk, and a fine number 2, handcrafted in India. This is Darn Good Yarns. Granny Dee has an affiliate with Darn Good Yarns. I will put her link down below so that you can go over to her site. Give her some love. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. She's really great. And you can, in all of her descriptions, she has the Darn Good Yarn affiliate link so that you can help her out. And I also got Darn Good Yarn hook and knitting needle set. This is so cool. One of my favorite colors. I love all colors. And this, like I said, I told you this box was full. And a Darn Good Yarn. Nope, it's a Tunisian hook of 5mm. In a pinch, I have also been known to use these if I didn't have a 5mm handy. And 2 packages of soap for when you block and stuff, I guess. I've never blocked, so this one is Yuzo. Clean with a peel. I have no idea what this means. And this one is Pineapple Grove. And I got these coasters. One more row. If they were in a package. It's a darn good day for, it's a good day for yarn. Yarn makes me happy. Time to unwind, and I have to hurry because it's going to be noisy in a minute. Thank you for coming by. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you, Granny Dee. You're awesome and way too